My name is Hana Roushdy. I'm an interdisciplinary studies major. My concentrations are studio art and biological sciences, and I'm graduating in May 2026. Getting my degree means a stepping stone for me. It's a big accomplishment. Being able to apply to med school using my bachelor's, which is a unique one, combining studio art and biological sciences, will help me not only enter medical school with a set of tools that other applicants might not have, but it'll also help me stand out amongst my peers. And I'm excited. I hope to apply to medical school, but not just a normal MD applicant. I also hope to go into MD PhD. I have a really strong interest in research. Also bringing in the humanitarian background that I have into medical school. I want to be able to keep that kind of like patient-provider relationship and that like human touch aspect into everything I do. And I feel like my art will help me keep in contact with that.